From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, it was a welcome soggy, stormy day across Acadiana. We needed the rainfall. There was some flooding, but fortunately, it was where we thought it was going to be, southwest Louisiana, southeast Texas. Not that we wanted to wish it on anybody else. We'll talk a little bit more about that, but things quieting down this evening, but we have tomorrow to do it all over again. Here's the rainfall as the model here populates as we go through the last 36 hours. We saw the rain and storms coming in from the Gulf of Mexico and then gradually working their way northward, and then boom, there you see some of the heavier rainfall. And once you get into these darker shades of gray, this is over 15 inches, 10 to 15 inches of rain across southwest Louisiana, western Cameron Parish, over by the Lake Arthur area. They did have flooding. This was about a 15 or 16 inch hot spot. And then farther to the east, you can see a lot of green, 1 to 2 inches, some spots catching 3, and where you see the red, that's pushing 4 to 5. But notice there were some spots that didn't get a whole lot of rainfall, and that would be right around portions of St. Landry Parish up through Evangeline Parish and then up towards Senlaw. These areas barely got 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch of rain, so not everybody got a good soaking, but most of us got some, and hopefully there's more for the folks that didn't get much coming into tomorrow and the days ahead. We're going to have scattered storms in the forecast each and every day as we work through the 10-day forecast. So eventually we're going to get more moisture into the ground. And fortunately, the rain rates weren't too bad, so we got a good soaking. We still see some showers up towards Senlaw, but mostly light showers up here. Seeing a little bit of a shower popping up. This is a tropical atmosphere typically here in Acadiana in the summertime. When you get those tropical atmospheres, you'll get a few showers developing after midnight, and usually more action along the coast, and we'll probably see that as well, where you see storms piling up along the coast. That usually means if you see that first thing in the morning, you're going to have a pretty good day of a good scattering of showers and storms. Here's the infrared imagery over the last 12 hours. You can see at the beginning of the loop the big storms across southeast Texas, southwest Louisiana. We see that little bit of a thunder shower offshore that we were just showing you on radar. That should move inland. So a few showers overnight tonight will carry about a 40% chance of some shower activity. Tropics, the Hurricane Center is looking at this spot and this spot. Low-end chances of development, no concerns here. And then finally, if you missed it earlier, we now have Tropical Storm Bonnie. It is making landfall right in southern Nicaragua, northern portions of Costa Rica. 50-mile-per-hour winds, so it's going to be crossing over, producing heavy rainfall across Central America, and will reemerge in the Pacific and more than likely become a hurricane. And once it changes ocean basins, it gets a new name. In this case, this will become Darby, going from Bonnie to Darby, just a couple letters down on the alphabet. So overnight tonight, a few spotty tropical showers and thunder showers, mainly along the coast, but it gets cooking sooner. Western Louisiana, the northern part of the state, this is where we're going to see the heavier duty storms tomorrow. On and off showers and storms anytime from mid-morning through the mid-afternoon hours, but by, say, 9 o'clock when we're shooting off some fireworks or have some displays going, it should quiet down, so that is the good news. And then going into Sunday, we'll see fewer showers and storms. They'll still be out there. We're down to 40% on your rain chances for Sunday afternoon, so that is the good news there. Additional rainfall, we were going for 1 to 2 inches earlier. Now the model's backing off, maybe an inch or two in a few isolated spots. Most of us catch about a ½ inch or so more or a little bit less, but we'll take the rainfall for sure. Mid-70s overnight tonight, quiet for the next few hours for sure. Scattered showers and a few storms redevelop as we go through the overnight hours. Then as we head into tomorrow, a little bit more in the way of sunshine at times, 87 the high, scattered tropical showers and storms, some locally heavy downpours and spots, an additional 1 to 2 for some, not most, and things should quiet down, and our true view here showing that as we head into tomorrow evening as well. So still pretty high rain chances tomorrow, not a complete washout, but be ready for some indoor plans at some times. And then as we go through Sunday, Monday, into much of next week, it looks like we're getting back to a more normal, quote-unquote, summer-like pattern. I was doing the stats earlier, Marcel. We said 79 was the high today.
Yes.
The last time that happened, April 20th, that we were below 80 degrees. So it felt good not to let the AC work so hard today.
Yeah, absolutely.
Right.
Thank you, Rob.